Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the HyperX Cloud 3 wireless not turning on or not working in 2026. So first of all, you need to connect your headset to a charger using the USB-C cable and leave it on charging for about at least 20 to 30 minutes, even if there is no light appears. Now, sometimes the battery is fully drained and it needs time before powering on. Afterwards, you just have to basically plug in, simply look at the LED activity. Now, if there is no light on your headset, it means that the battery or the cable related issue is there. If you see the blinking light, it means that it is in the charging or in the pairing state. If you see the solid light, it means that it is powered on. And if there is no light at all, then you can try a different cable or USB port. Now you just have to press and hold the power button on your headset for about 10 to 15 seconds, and this particular step is going to force us a reset and can also fix the temporary power glitches. Also, try charging from a different USB port, a wall adapter as well. This is going to help rule out the power delivery issues. Now, if the headset turns on but it doesn't work, then you can simply reinsert the USB dongle, or you can try a different USB port, or you can even restart your PC or restart your console. You can then open the HyperEngineVT application and check if your headset appears here. If it does, simply update or reinstall the firmware. If not, you need to reinstall EngineVT and then connect it to the device. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.